Oh, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. You know what it is. This is King XL Lee, King Cuts. I got some brand new content for you guys, and I really hope you enjoy it. And if you do, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, you know. See you in a minute.
Y'all got Burger King on one?
Wait, what?
One thing I have learned with being in this industry and being a barber is that sometimes it's good to treat an old client like a new client because there's so many variables that come to play when it comes to the texture of the hair. People diet change, people health change, age changes your hair type, stress, emotion, all of that. And that can change, you know, how a person's hair grows, whether they're wearing a hat, if they're in a different environment. It can cause the hair to change its direction. You know, you can force a cowlick, you can force a swirl. That's just a theory that I have. Tell me what you think about that. So this is not something I do all the time, but I do it some of the time. I'm a meet in the middle type person some of the time, right? I do one side, do the other side, skip the back. And then, I mean, if everything lines up, then I just follow the same steps I did on the sides versus just wrapping around. I cut by comfort, man. I feel like when I'm most comfortable with whatever technique I choose, whether it be conventional, unconventional, or just straight up freestyle, I have to be comfortable. Where I'm comfortable, I'm confident, you know?
Oh shoot! Hold on. Okay. So we back. We back to this very moment, and you're still here. So that means you actually value some of this content. And if you have, I would really appreciate if you give me these things right here, and subscribe and share it. I will have more content coming to you soon. Hey, stick around. It's gonna be a fun journey. God bless. Now I'm gonna get back to practicing, so yeah. You know what? Forget it.